In this video I will show you how can you find and see your messenger QR code. You can see here it's my messenger QR code. So it sometime helpful when someone looking for your messenger or Facebook account but they cannot find you by your name in Facebook or messenger. That's time they can scan your QR code to their phone and they will can find your messenger or Facebook. So you can see here there have camera option. If you click here you will can scan someone QR code to find their account. So in this video I will show the process how can you find the QR code. So for that reason you have to simply come and open your messenger app. After opening your messenger app, you have to simply click here 3 line. After clicking here 3 line, you can see here settings gear option. You have to simply click here settings gear option. After clicking here settings gear option, you will can see here option. You can see here there have a option scan option. You have to simply click here on the scan option and then you will can see here this is your messenger QR code. So now you if you want you will can share your QR code to the your friend to send you friend request. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.